Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something very emotional reality in everybody's life. You can take out the daughter or you can say son, both, and how it's felt for a son or a daughter to lose his father. Okay, uh, basically a father may not always expressive in his words of love. Okay, but when he's gone, you realizes how much he meant to you in your life, to your soul. Basically, it's a silent love. Love, you can say. Mother express her love all the time, but the father figure never express his love. Fi- a father love is often silent also, and he often doesn't always say such much too much, but in his action shows everything. Like you can take out the his sacrifices and his care, his protection. He's always be on toe in all these things, and you will realize that he's a part of very big. He playing a very major role in your life. He meant to you too much. After that realization is happened, after losing him, basically, when father is gone, son does not just lose a parent. He loses his guide, his support system, and you can say the part of himself. And he doesn't show to anyone, but he lost everything when he lost a father. Basically, the sudden responsibility. After losing a father, a son suddenly feels weight on of the responsibilities he's gonna carry forward. He has to become stronger anyhow. He has to become, even he's a broken inside every day, every second, every minute. He's a breaking down. Okay, he doesn't show to anyone. He never show to his wife, his mother, his sister, any relatives. He never shows. He never gonna show also. He always shows I'm there for you, because after losing a father he have to be there any situation. He have to be strong, because mentality is like that. And the but he's broken from inside. The you can say is a powder. His soul has become a powder from the broken ashes. You can say the glass broken is become ash after losing his father. So he having a too much regrets. Basically, there's always a things left unsaid. Moments he wished we could go back to the time, and word he wished to say and spoken to him. Like some things he want to show to his father. I become something, and he has never shown to his father the legacy he's gonna carry. After losing his father, the major thing is missing. Like if he become a successful also, but the father is not there, he's that time also he's gonna miss him. And that time also he's gonna miss him when he's nothing. If he going through a lot something, something downfall also, he's gonna miss that person. He missing his father every time, every second. My father should be there, he should guide me. The message is very clear to me, from my side to everyone. A father may not always expressive, I'm really sorry, but his presence is priceless. Value him while you still have him, whether he's a good or not. But still, you have your father figure on your side. Respect him, love him, tell him what you feel for him, because once he's gone, his place in your life never gonna replace anyone. Not gonna replace that father figure. Not even your wife, not even your children, not even your in-laws, or not even your big brother. Father figures is big, role in your life. So make sure you respect that person, respect that personality, and love him a lot. Don't disrespect your father anytime. If you go to situation also, if he's shouting, he did something wrong also, but never shout on him, never disrespect him. Always be love to him. If you love your father, take a moment today, appreciate him, and comment down below, I love my father. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.